How to with ElectroPhix. 10 steps to removing an iPhone 7 screen. Step number 1. Remove the 2 screws at the bottom using a pentalobe screwdriver. Step number 2. Using a pry tool, score around the edge of the screen carefully. Use your nail to get underneath the screen, but please make sure that you don't go in too deep because you don't want to rip anything. Step number 3. Lift the screen up carefully, but just enough so you see a gap. Just remember to switch your phone off before you start taking your screen off. Step number 4. Carefully twist slightly to the right and lift the screen up as if you're opening up a book and hold it still. Step number 5. Unscrew the silver plate at the bottom of your phone. Step number 6. Disconnect the battery. Step number 7. Unscrew the shield at the top. Step number 8. Disconnect the front camera cable. Step number 9 and 10. Disconnect the LCD and home button cable and lift the screen away. And there you have it, you've taken the screen off. Thanks for watching another episode of How To with ElectroPhix. Remember to comment, like, share and subscribe. Also, if you need more help, messages on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. See you next time on How To with ElectroPhix.